In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gmail time zones step by step. If your email timestamps look off after a move or a trip, this quick adjustment will make everything line up with your local time across Google services, including Gmail. Start on a computer and sign in to your Google account. If you use more than one account, glance at the profile picture in the top right to make sure you're on the right one. Now open Gmail in your browser. In the top right corner, you'll see a small grid of 9 dots. This is the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to open the menu of Google Apps, and then choose Google Calendar. We're going through Calendar because Google manages your time zone centrally there, and Gmail relies on that setting for its timestamps. Once Calendar opens, look to the top right again for the gear icon. That's your settings shortcut. Click the gear, then select Settings from the drop-down. You'll land in the Language and Region section, which is exactly where we need to be. Here, you'll see the time zone area. Find the option labeled Primary Time Zone and click it. A list of regions or cities will appear. Pick the one that matches where you are. If you don't immediately see your city, use the search field in the drop-down and type a well-known city in your time zone. Choosing a nearby city in the same time zone works just as well. Once you click your choice, Calendar saves it automatically. There's no separate save button needed. That's all it takes. The new time zone applies to Calendar right away, and it also carries over to Gmail. To see the change in your inbox, switch back to your Gmail tab and refresh the page. Your email timestamps should now reflect the correct local time. If you had Gmail open for a long time, a quick refresh is usually all that's needed to sync the new setting. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If you juggle multiple Google accounts, repeat these steps while signed in to each account you use so each one shows the right time. And if you travel frequently or work with teams in different regions, remember that you can return to this same calendar settings page anytime to adjust your primary time zone as needed. Changes you make here will sync across devices as long as you're signed into the same account. And there you have it. Open Gmail, go to Google Calendar through the 9-dot menu, gear icon, Settings, Language, and Region. Set your primary time zone, and you're done. Enjoy accurate timestamps in your inbox.